When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hello everyone, we're here again in my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to put at on your video description. The purpose of putting at mention on your description is to promote other channel on YouTube. Here are the steps. Number 1. On your home channel, click Manage Video. Number 2. Select content and choose video you want to put at mention. Number 3. Click the edit icon. Number 4. Type at mention the name of the channel on the description box. So just type your friend's name there. And number 5. Save it. Let's check if the at mention is saved on the description of my video. So the arrow now is pointing the at mention that I just did a while ago. So this is how to put at mention on your description. So I hope this will help a bit. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. See you next video.
I can see what comes